everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get to Crystal Tap step by step. First just go to Pirate Cove, and then once you're there just head to the pool on the island like this, and then next find the spot to buy advanced diving gear over here. It costs 1 million, so make sure you have enough money, and then after buying it just equip the advanced diving gear like this, and then walk to the middle of the pool like this, and then next just step on the sands like this, just step on it, and then that's it. You will be taken directly to the crystal tap like this, and then in here you can just fishing until you get the special fish. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.